Alright guys, I have a 2016 Toyota Tundra and it is time to reset the oil maintenance light. I'm going to turn the key on. Just to show you where it says maintenance required. So this is what we're going to do. So now I'm going to turn it. I'm going to put the odometer on trip A, as you can see. Turn the key off. Hold the button in. You can see I'm holding that in. Then I have to turn the key on. Hard to do by myself. Hang on, I'm gonna set the phone down. I'm gonna turn the key on. As you can see, I turned the key on and it's resetting maintenance data. So that should be done. We'll turn it back off. Now I'll turn it on and it should be reset. The reset maintenance data did it. Now it's went away.